Welcome back, guys. Bombrito, bandito, bandito. Oy, 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 oy. Burrito, bandito, bandito, tractorito, tralaleo. Now that I think of it, I haven't lost in a while, but I shouldn't get too cocky. If you guys know how to get what was I gonna say? I forgot. Oh yeah, if you guys know how to get your cats to a higher max level, please tell me. I'm struggling on getting my cats to their max form. Not just their phase 2, but their phase 3. As you can see, most of my cats are at phase 2. Actually, only 4 of them are, bruh. Burrito, bandito, bandé. No way. Kamehameha. Dang, bro, the cash per kill is insane. Bro, the seal! Ah, shoot. Ah, dang it. Dang it. You see why I hate the seal? Oh. It wasn't even that bad this time. Oh my gosh, the penguin. You know what? My cats are too strong for this guy. Yeah, the penguin seems weak now. This penguin used to be incredibly strong, but now he's just weak. He doesn't send my cats back anymore. Only the Joey kangaroo. Only the Joey does. That stinking Joey. I hate you, Joey. No offense to anybody out there named Joey, but I just hate that Joey. Oh my gosh, so many penguins! And you all die now. And they're gone. Excuse me, I said, oh my gosh. Bandito, bandito. POV the boss launches. This is basically... Wait, the squirrel's like a strong guy? Bruh. Yeah, no, the squirrel's probably... Oh my god! You're spawning a dog?! After I just took care of a bajillion bosses, you spawn in dogs. Boss rush. Oh well. So, I need to do a part 6. You know what? I just have to. Oh my gosh. 50,000 through. No, what? What is it? It's just a leadership. Nothing too crazy. So, bye.